So there are various means of transportation. You have Grab when you don't feel like driving or you don't own a car, or you can take public transportation such as bus and train if you want a cheaper alternative. So what if you want to drive? What if under certain circumstances you actually need to drive? So this is where SOCAR comes in. So SOCAR is a car sharing platform, which means you are able to rent your car with an app on your smartphone. So since I've actually not used this app before, let's test it out together. By the way, this video is sponsored by SOCAR. Free yourself, own the experience, download the SOCAR app from Google Play Store and even Apple's App Store today and start driving. So signing up for SOCAR is very easy. First, you need to download the SOCAR app. So after downloading the SOCAR app, you need to register for yourself if you are not an existing member. Actually, signing up is very easy. So first, you need to fill in your personal details such as your username, your password, your phone number, and so on. So there's one section where it requires you to take a selfie with your IC. So this is to actually ensure that you are signing up for yourself and not for anyone else. After that, you are actually required to take a picture of your license, but make sure that you are not a driver under probation or else you are not eligible for SOCAR. After that, you'll actually be notified whether you are approved by SOCAR or not. Within 24 hours, you actually receive an SMS so you can check whether it is okay or not okay. If it's okay, you can proceed to the next step. So after everything's done, here comes the interesting part. So you'll be directed to the main page. After that, you can choose the time where you want to book your car and the time where you want to return your car. So after you have set up everything, you can now choose your car. So there's a bunch of cars to choose from. You have BMW, you have Honda City, you have Myvi, you have Mini, but I'm feeling a bit cheap today. So I will go for Myvi. So I've chosen my Myvi and now I'm about to make payment. So all you have to do is to insert your credit card number or your debit card number and you are good to go. So now for the fun part, let's go and test SOCAR. Jom! Second floor. Okay, in the app it says level 2. So we are at level 2 now. So let's find out where our car is. This parking lot is very big. So where's our car? So it's a VBT 5842. Oh, there is it! There it is! Every time when we first take our car, when we are renting it, so we first have to do inspection. So that means we must check whether there's any dent, any broken mirror or any broken headlights. So this is to ensure that we will actually avoid those false claims from the renting company. So let's take a picture of it. So now we need to take every part of the car, which includes front, back, left and right. So let's do it. Okay, so first thing we need to do apparently is that we need to upload all of the pictures. So lucky we have taken it. So let's upload the pictures. Select from gallery, album. Okay. So I've taken a lot of pictures. So we choose the front, the back. Okay, then after everything, so we are done. So I'll click next. So I'm pretty satisfied, so I'll give it a 5-star. It has a clean exterior, inside cleaning condition, full petrol, parking at SOCAR zone. Yeah, so I will click complete. So now I'll unlock this car. So SOCAR actually uses a keyless system, which means you don't need a key to unlock your car. So it uses a strong internet connection or Bluetooth. So let's try it out. So let's unlock the car. Yes! High-tech stuff here. Come, let's go. Wow! Oh, I bet this is a new car. Okay, so let's check out what they have in here. Okay. So there's a Petronas Smart Pay. So we can actually refill our petrol from Petronas. So according to their SOCAR's official website, they've said that they actually give 30 km per hour of free petrol. So after that, you need to top up if you want more lah. So we can check this out later. Okay, they have nothing else. So I've noticed that they do not have a touch and go card. So if you want to go through tolls or go to far places, you actually need to prepare your own cash or your own touch and go. Okay, so after checking everything, let's start the car. I'm damn excited. Okay, so it's starting!
No, you press it. brake and start the car.
Press the
Press the brake and press the button.
Do that.
Yeah.
Wow, you know everything. Amazing! Let's go. Okay, so after I get my car, I think it's a pretty nice experience that we can get our car very easily lah. So if you want to rent a car, you can actually go for SOCAR instead of taking transportation, public transportation, you know. Okay, so I chose a Myvi. It's because I actually drive a Myvi, older version, but this one is way better and way smoother. Okay, so if you feel fancy and feel like trying out other cars, right, you can actually go for BMW, or there's even Mini. So if you want to spend more on this kind of car, make it fancier, then why not? SOCAR allows you to do everything like that. But overall, for now, I think it's very nice, this car, and the driving experience where you collect the car, all is very convenient because around you only. So yeah, I kind of like SOCAR and I'll go back for it again. Okay, so now let's go pump up petrol and see how it works. So now we need to go for Petronas because the card is Petronas. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's go. So this is the card just now, and there will be a code there. So you need to key in the code before you pump the petrol. So let's try it out. Okay, so the pin. There you go. It's that simple. So let's pump it. Okay, so we are done. That's it. So simple. Okay, so our car is full now and I'm hungry. So let's pick up our colleagues and go for lunch. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we are done for our day. Then now I'm going to return our car. So actually, here's a tip. Every time when you're about to return your car, you make sure you need to return back to the place where you get your car, because this is actually SOCAR's policy. So now we are on our way to return the car. So let's go. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so this is the end of my trip for SOCAR. Overall experience, I really like it. It's very convenient if you travel with your friends or family. So now I'm gonna return, but before returning, we need to lock first. So after locking the door, we need to click the return now button. Okay, so before returning the car also, we need to do a car inspection just in case. So we do the same procedure, take all the pictures and we'll save it here. Okay, so let's do it. Alright, so as usual, you need to take the front, back and the sides of the car. Okay, so we are done. We need to upload the picture. Okay, after you upload the pictures, there's a section where you need to write your comments. So you write down whether you like the experience or you don't like the experience. So for me, I really like this SOCAR, so I'm gonna say it's good. And of course, the car is also very clean, so I'll just add the comments in. Okay, then I'll hit share. Okay, so after that, you're basically done. Just hit the return SOCAR button and you're good to go. So that's all for my SOCAR experience. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe us to our YouTube channel, and you can hit the notification bell icon so you can be informed whenever we post a new video. So I'm Ray and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!